HANMO CNC Press Brake with DA66S 8+1 axis is one of HANMO's premium press brake series. The entire machine features steel plate welding, with tempered slides ensuring overall structural strength and stability. Rexroth valve assembly, servo motor. Equipped with a Rexroth valve assembly for stable and reliable hydraulic pressure output. Dutch DA66S. The system utilizes the high-end Dutch DA66S controller supporting 8+1 axis. The DA66S features 2D bending simulation, making bending faster, easier, and more accurate. GIVI linear encoders ensure precise ram descent accuracy. GIVI linear encoders. Mechanical compensation addresses deflection, delivering superior straightness for bent workpieces. Deflection compensation. The backgauge incorporates light curtain protection, ensuring operator safety with immediate power shutdown when personnel enter the machine's operational range. Light curtain protection. The backgauge employs 6 axes X1, X2, R1, R2, Z1, Z2 to bend sheet metal into various shapes.